The verb decir is an irregular Spanish verb meaning to say or to tell. We're going to learn how to conjugate the verb decir in the present tense. In the first person singular, we say digo, meaning I say or I tell. Digo lo que quieren oír means I say what they want to hear. You say, singular informal, or you tell, singular informal, is dices. Me dices la verdad means you tell me the truth. He, she, it says, he, she, it tells, or you say, singular formal, you tell, singular formal, is dice. Él dice que quiere ayudar. He says he wants to help. We say or we tell is decimos. Decimos eso cada mañana means we say that every morning. The vosotros conjugation, which is used in Spain for the verb decir, is decís, meaning you say, plural informal, or you tell, plural informal. The other way of saying you say or you tell in plural is ustedes dicen. Me dicen que está bien, meaning you, plural, tell me it's okay. Dicen is also the conjugation for ellos and ellas, so me dicen que está bien can also mean they tell me it's okay. Note that even though the first two letters of decir are DE, it's only in the nosotros and vosotros form where we don't change the stem of the verb to DI in the present tense. Here are all the conjugations of decir in the present tense. Digo, dices, dice, decimos, decís, dicen,